Hello everyone. Today tool is capture to text tool. This tool is very useful tool because we can extract text from images. So use this tool. You can go to Google, then type capture to text, then search result is here. You can go first link, then you will redirect to this kind of web page. So you guys can click download and download related your soft operating system. Actually this software only available for Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. You can first download using this link. You will direct to SourceForge website. Then you can click download latest version button. Then you guys can download this kind of app zip. uh, this zip, double click and open, and you can extract to desktop. After extract, you can open this folder, then again open capture to text. Here is our application. First of all, you can copy this app and go to your C drive and you paste you this folder. uh, then then you can go to the this folder inside and click first application capture to text name, then double click and open it. You can see this kind of taskbar icon show. Now we have set up small things. You can right click this icon and first select OCR language. You can detect English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Russian and Spanish. Today I am demonstrate English, so I select English. Then again text orientation, you can select auto, horizontal or vertical, I'll select auto. Then if you need, you can enable save to clipboard option and pop-up window option. You don't need pop-up window. You can deselect this option. Okay guys, now I am going to demonstrate how to work this app. First I open the English content based image. You can see this is English paragraph. First, before open the app, you need to go cursor near the relevant paragraph. Then you can click Windows plus Q. There, that is a default key for the activate this program. Then you can select this kind of paragraph. Then after click, you can see pop-up window, and here is my image and here is my copied text, extracted text. I can copy, cut and also relevant task I can do. If I don't pop-up window, I can use this icon, right click and show pop-up window, turn off. Now I'm going to try without pop-up this app. First I activate the software Windows plus Q, then select the I need paragraph, then okay, silently copy to my clipboard. Then I open my notepad and place Control V. I can see here is my paste text, here is my image included text, both are same. So guys, I think this is a useful software for you. uh, Again I will remember some set of settings you can customize using this settings panel, using hotkeys for the quick open this app, and translate function, speech functions, output, preview, capture box types. You can customize this app you need your own needs. I think this is a useful things for you. Thank you for watch the video.